Hey guys, welcome to my third video. On this video we'll be trying out my new sponge. It's a silicone blender. It's by the brand Cala. I already did my eyebrows, so I'm gonna start with foundation and let's try it out. The blender that I'm gonna try has a flat side and it has a pointy side, and I will be using the flat side to blend out the foundation. I will be using my Revlon Colorstay in the shade Buff. I'm spreading the product around my face, and then I'm trying to get into every little corner, every little crease on the face, around my nose mostly. So far the sponge is working. The only thing that I see is that my pores are looking a little bit bigger than usual, but I believe it's because I used the flat side and I feel like I should have used the pointy side to blend out the foundation. Now I'm gonna get my light yellow concealer by LA Girl, and this time I'm going to blend it with the pointy side of the sponge to see if it makes a difference. Using the pointy side of the sponge made a big difference under my eyes, and I think it is a good sponge. I just have to know how to work with it. So far I liked it. After the concealer, I'm setting everything with my Airspun setting powder. Now I will move on to my eyeshadow, and I'm mixing a light purple and a light pink, and I'm going to put it on my crease, and then I'll be blending it with a clean brush. Now I'm applying a dark purple to my crease to make the eye look a little bit deeper, and after that I'll just blend it. After applying the dark color to my crease, in the center of the eyelid I'm applying a glitter glue, so the shimmer shade that I'm applying on top will pop out more. The shade that I'm using is from my Norvina Palette. After applying the metallic pink shade, I'm dipping up the crease with the light purple a little bit more, and then I'm grabbing my clean brush and adding a white shadow to blend out the edges. See the reaper creeping as my blood is seeping, sleeping deeper through the night so I can face my demons. Weakness seems to be that I cannot stop breathing. Death keeps cheating on my life, but now my soul is feeding. Laying into the fleeting, nothing in the street. Screaming and needing, yelling and bleeding. You can barely see it, but I'm applying a really dark purple on my bottom lash line, and then I'm just blending. After adding the dark purple shade to my bottom lash line, I'm gonna do my eyeliner. Just a simple cut eye. After eyeliner, I'm just curling my lashes and then applying mascara. Since my eyes were being too watery, I decided to add eyeliner to the bottom corner of my eye just to cover that up and see if it helped a little. But my eye was feeling really irritated at this moment. For my contour, I'm gonna try out this new contouring palette. It's called Fierce. It's by the brand Profusion, and I grabbed it because it had a really cool tone brown, and I think that's gonna suit my face. So let's try it out. This is the first time trying out this palette, and I loved the cool tone brown that came with. It was the perfect shade that matched my skin tone, and I simply loved it. It made my face look really sculpted. I'm also blending my contour with a flat powder brush, and I'm grabbing the light yellow shade that comes in the palette just to blend out the edges and make it look less harsh. As my blush, I will be grabbing my Fetish blush palette by KVD, and I'm using the light purple shade called Coven. For my highlight, I will be using Telepathy from the same palette. It's a glittery purple shade and it's really cute. I love it. Pressure don't affect me, bitch. I take drugs on my own. Pop up Perkins, throw some coke. It feel like my heart is broke because I get fucked up when I feel alone. I'm choking on this podium, bogey. I'm hoping that I don't breathe, bitch. I'm no back like you know me. Shoot me up so I can know it. For my lipstick, I will be applying my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Visionary. What I hate most in this life is a long night. 4 walls and no calls and no lights, but the moonlight creeping through the blinds till I feel on night spinning. I'm beginning to believe that tonight is the night. After my lipstick, I'm just applying my setting spray by Hard Candy, the matte one, and then the look is done. Existence is